fell in love with images, quite literally, and had the experience of seeing the world in a new way. I was in India, which is quite a visually arresting place, and then started to make small films and was really bad at it, and but kept making it and had this passion that just kind of wouldn't leave me. And that's kind of how each film is. It sort of slowly takes over my life. Well, it's true. I feel like people who make films don't have any choice but to make films. And I feel that very much about this, that it feels very small, and I don't know what else I would be doing with my life if I weren't. Because, I mean, no one is born Scorsese.